Hi, wanna know how to activate Quick Launch on your Vivo X100 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open Settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Shortcuts and Accessibility. Click on it and here we would need to find this tab named Quick Action. Click on it and here make sure that this feature is enabled by seeing this slider blue. As a next step here, we would need to select the special feature that we would like to use on our Quick Action. So, for example, I'll leave it on the turn on, turn off torch, and now let's test it. So the quick action works like that: when your screen is turned off and you hold the volume down button, the action that you have selected in the settings will work. So I have selected the flashlight, and now if I will hold the volume down button for a few seconds, you can see that on my phone has been turned on the flashlight. And the same way we can also disable it by holding the volume down button. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.